I'm up in all the stars when it rains, it pours. Hey beauties, it's me Seren Leone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do the soap method. I personally have been using this method for a really long time, like before I could actually wear music, before I could actually wear makeup, because it was just a way to really shape and define my brows. So if you're interested in watching how I do the soap method, please God, how am I going to edit this? Should I say it again? So if you're interested in watching me achieve the soap method, stay tuned. So beauties, the soap that I'm going to use is the soap that I use for everything, for washing my natural hair, my face, and my body. It's my favorite. It's called Raw Black Soap, and this is the paste. So hold on. So the soap that I'm using is the Raw African Black Soap, and it's the paste, and it looks like this. So all that I need to do is take a little bit of water. Hold on, let me grab it. Don't ask me why I'm so extra, y'all, but all you need, I just put like a little tiny bit in here, and I'm just gonna let it like sit for a little bit. All you basically need to do is wet the soap. So I'm gonna get closer to my face, and right now I don't have on any makeup. Here is what my eyebrows look like without any makeup on, and I'm just gonna shape them from there. So what I'm doing is just this. And as you can see, like, it's already soapy. I see some people doing it with the spoolie, and I just don't want to like get all the soap in my spoolie, so I like to do it like this. And now I'm just doing it on the other side of my eyebrow. So I'm really excited, guys, because I picked up the new brow benefit. So I'm really excited to use it. This is what the packaging looks like. So let's do like a little unboxing. Goof proof brow pencil, and it says uneven patchy brows, with the little first picture of the girl. Instantly fills and defines the tail. So it says presto, everyone's an expert with this super easy brow filling and shaping pencil. Fast, full, and natural looking brows magically appear thanks to the glide on formula. And I'm in the shade 4, so I picked up that shade. Packaging is really cute. It reminds me of like 50s pinup girl maybe, or I could be in the wrong era, I don't know. So here's the spoolie side, and I'm going to now brush up my brows now that I already have the soap on it. So on my eyebrows, not the spoolie. So as you can see, my eyebrows are really like naturally sparse as heck. So I'm just gonna let this soap kind of like dry down around it. I mean, if you have dry skin, I would suggest like actually taking a washcloth and like wiping it, but my skin is super oily, so a little soap won't hurt. So this is what it looks like, the brow benefit. It has a really cute like natural eyebrow shape, and the pointed part looks really good for like shaping and sculpting. So I'm excited to try it here with you guys for the first time. And as you can see, my eyebrows, like, they aren't done or anything. Like, I don't get my eyebrows done. I'm not into it. I feel like it's not really showing up, right? Like, let's keep going. Or maybe I'm just like not pressing hard enough, but I'm kind of like going light because So I really like this method because you can like really see the shape of your natural brows and the hairs just really stay in place. Yeah, I don't know if I like this brow pencil. I don't know. Like after using the Fenty Beauty's like ultra fine tip, this is like bulky for me, you know? Like let me use it to fill in though. My brows literally feel pasted on right now. Yeah, they look very, very natural. Okay, so here is my eyebrow done with the Benefit brow. And here's my eyebrow with just the soap method without any brows on it. So let's do it again on this side. So when it comes to eyebrows, I like to just start at the bottom and shape. So for the tail, I'm gonna like switch to this sharper side of it so I can get a really, really good shape. And I'm like doing this super light. I don't know if that's why it's like taking me so long, but these eyebrows are extremely natural looking. So I'm just gonna like take a little wipe and just like wipe around my eyebrows because definitely there's soap on them, so. I promised you guys an eyebrow tutorial like forever, and here it is. Finally! So beauties, tell me what you think about the soap method. It was easy enough for me. Would you try it? Let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more beauty videos just like this.